Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember, my name is Freddy Moa as always. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel at Freddy Moa, make sure you subscribe, you like and comment about this video. Today I'll be teaching you about playing this song called Amani Bwana. If this song is familiar, I can sing a little bit so that you can know the song. The song goes like this. It's a Swahili song, Catholic song. So it goes, Amani ya banana isabae, 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 isabae. Yo guys, without wasting our time, let's get into a tutorial after the intro. Let's go. So guys, we are on our piano and we are going to play like this. As always, we are going to start with our melody of the song. Amani ya banana isabae. So we are going to play like this. Like that, the first part. Then the second. The song is very simple. Repeat the same thing again like this. Another time, repeat again. Then after that, we are going to play our chord, our right hand chord. So we are going to play like this. We are going to start here. Let me play slowly so that you can see. So the chords we are starting here on this G, then next G, so like that. Let me hold with this finger so that you can see. You can repeat that the same thing for accuracy so that you can be able to play it nice. So after that, we are going to welcome our right hand so that we can play right hand and left hand, or left hand. So we are going to play like this. your bass, you are starting from this A, B note, B note. You see my right hand and left hand how I'm playing. You have to repeat the same thing. So after that, I'm going to play with my drums. I'll be using drums called U-Trace number 41 in Yamaha piano. So let me first just find my tempo first. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to start with my melody, and then I'm going to play the chords with my right hand and left hand. Then I'm going to welcome my drums. So let's start. Then let's play with our drums. So guys, thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment about this tutorial. If you have a song you would like me to show you how to play the song, I'll show you right here in my YouTube channel at Fred Moa. Guys, I love you, and keep supporting me on YouTube by subscribing. You can find me on my social media platforms at Fred Moa, on Twitter, on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere you'll find me at Fred Moa. Thank you guys. Let us meet on the next tutorial. Bye guys, and God bless you.